Next topic. Note down and then do homework. Another topic, very most important, formula mass. What is the formula mass? Why it is to be said formula mass? We are having H2O, that is to be said molecule, and mass of that is to be said molecular mass. H2O means what? H2O means oxygen having outermost electron 6, so we are having right 6 electron over here. Hydrogen having 1 electron with each hydrogen, so hydrogen having total 1 electron of 1 hydrogen, another 1 electron of 1 hydrogen. Now sharing of 1 electron with oxygen, then this is the 1 electron of oxygen, this is the 1 electron of hydrogen. Sign of electron hydrogen we are having cross for the, so there will be 1 hydrogen electron, 1 oxygen electron, here will be 1 hydrogen electron, 1 oxygen electron. This is the sharing of electron. Oxygen having total outermost 6 electron, so we have used 2 electron to form covalent bond, remaining 4 electron will be over here. So what will the structure? Oxygen will form single bond with 1 electron of hydrogen, 1 electron of oxygen, this is the covalent bond. Another hydrogen will form electron sharing of oxygen with oxygen, this is the another covalent bond. Remaining 4 electron can be represented like this. So this is the covalent bond with atom each other or one another. So where covalent bond form in molecule, we are using the mass of molecule is molecular mass. While in formula mass, what is the difference? So formula mass, we are having the example of NaCl. In formula mass, sodium is positive ion and negative chlorine is negative ion. When ionic bond is formed in molecule, this is also molecule, but used particular term in ionic compound, not molecular mass, but it is formula mass. So where ionic bond form and molecule is obtained, then it is not molecular mass, it is formula mass. So difference between molecule and formula: molecule having the covalent bond of atom of molecule, while in formula mass there will be ionic bond formed in formula or molecule. So calculation method is same, but term is used, not molecular mass, term is used as a formula mass. So sodium chloride, it is having the crystal structure, and every sodium atom having surrounded 6 chloride atom, and every chloride atom having surrounded 6 sodium atom. It is three-dimensional, its figure. So in your textbook there is atom shown by spherical shape. We are having the structure which is in 2-dimensional. Let's draw the structure, how the sodium chloride having the molecule structure. That is not given in your textbook, but try to understand. So now we are having the figure of sodium chloride, and then we will calculate the sodium chloride formula mass. So we have to draw first simple square, then ready? Yes, this is the structure of sodium chloride. You just used as a red as a sodium. So this is the sodium. Black as a chloride. So red will be sodium, surrounding sodium, black is chloride. Ready? You can see that two same color will not come together. So you can clearly see over here that red color is present in between black color is present in between red color. So this is the surrounding ion are with each other and cannot mix with each other, because positive having the repulsion. This is the black, and between black red. Clear? So black is chloride and red is sodium. So this is the simple two-dimensional figure. In this figure we are clearly see over that sodium having both the sides surrounded by chloride, and chloride is both the side surrounded by sodium. So two same ion will not come nearer to each other because there is the same charge, and same charge will get repulsion. So any element, any molecule, any formula is not exist. So now we are having the formula mass of NaCl. Formula mass of NaCl. So 1 into mass of Na plus 1 into mass of Cl. So 1 into sodium having the atomic mass is 23U, and chloride having the atomic mass of is 35.5. So total formula mass of this both, then 35.5 and 23.0, then 5.8 and 5, then it is the 58.5 U. This is the formula mass of sodium chloride. So you can calculate any ionic compound, formula mass of any ionic compound. Suppose KCl having the formula mass, because it is the ionic compound, it is the simple example related to NaCl. Potassium, atomic number of potassium is 19, and it is the atomic mass is 39, and Cl you know that it is 35.5. So you can calculate the formula mass of any ionic compound with the use of its atomic mass, but there is ionic bond present, so we cannot say that it is formula, it is molecular mass, it is ionic mass, formula mass. So it is clear, if ionic bond then it is formula mass, and if it is covalent bond then it is the molecular mass. So try to solve all the example which I have given to you for homework. Send me homework by today evening. Thank you very much.